What in the hell is going on with as soon as the plane lands and pulls up, everybody from the back comes bolting down the row to try to get in line and get out. And I'm just going to say two things. I get it. If you got the stomach cramp, I get it. I mean, you're looking at that little porta potty thing. You got to get off. And if you tell me, brother, I'm gonna green apple splatters. That's all you have to say. Green apple splatters, and everybody knows. You let him go. Or like you got to get that fast connection. You go, excuse me, but we were late. Blah blah blah. But this phenomenon of these people getting up and blocking and trying to run off the airplane, I'm gonna tell you, as passengers, we should have the authority to enforce this rule of wait your turn. I don't get it.